If you've lost access to your Wings Financial Credit Union account and cannot use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the website. Go to the official Wings Financial Credit Union website. Look for the login section and click on the Forgot Password or Account Recovery link to start the recovery process. Step 2. Provide your information. Enter the required information such as your email address and any other identifying details requested. This information is necessary to verify your identity and locate your account. Step 3. Choose recovery options. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. If you opted for email verification, check your inbox for a recovery email from Wings Financial Credit Union. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password or unlock your account. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the recovery link, create a new password for your account. Make sure it is strong and secure. After updating your password, log into your account with the new credentials. If you follow these steps, you should be able to recover your Wings Financial Credit Union account without needing your phone number. Always remember to keep your recovery information updated to avoid future issues.